Hi guys, Phasic here from Phasic's Bonsai World, welcoming you to my world of bonsai. Today we're going to repot my Ficus Starlight. It's been in this pot for over 20 years, it's outgrown the pot, and I think it's time for a repot and a new pot in this beautiful blue glazed pot that's to the right of me. So we're obviously going to start with the repotting process. We'll definitely keep this beautiful rock as a showpiece. Let me not lose it. Loosen the sides as normal, because I don't think it's going to just come out without this. Nope, this is rebound. Most definitely. Here's a bit of gas, but I know some areas are hectic, tight, others not. You'll soon see how easy this comes out. What is going on here? I want to obviously break the pot, so I can definitely use it for another tree. See. There we go. It's coming up. See. Yeah, quite not too bad actually. Keep the wire mesh for that pot. Because as you see, the tree is not really, it's healthy, it's just not growing a lot. So it definitely needs some new air to breathe and beautiful new soil. Now rake the roots, which there is definitely plenty of.
The face is covered now, but I suppose it's alright.
Easy. This was definitely root bound, because I will try and show you just now. You'll see that most of the really big roots have filled this whole pot. So there's very little place for small roots left. What comes off from this is all that I'm going to have. I'm not going to cut anything, so to say. we can zoom up, cameraman, you can see that here is a lot of thick roots everywhere. Here's a big one, it's part of the surface roots, so it definitely needed some more space. So I'm sure this is giving it more space. Yes, big time. Definitely a few more years. Just going to clean it up here on the top a bit. Get as much of this old soil away. Pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm going to just prepare the pot further, put some rooting hormone on the roots, and then we'll be back. See ya. Welcome back guys. Okay, so I've put some soil at the bottom. It's my mix of, it's a bonsai mix which is pine bark, compost, silica sand, and then what I still add is perlite and vermiculite, but the nice big pieces. So it comes out really cool, but here we go, fitting in the tree in its new home. Give it a nice wiggle in here. Yes, that looks good. Nice and upright. Happiness. Now we start feeding in the soil. This is a long process because I obviously do this with a chopstick. Get all the air out, as you can see. Feed it nicely down. So this takes a while, so I'm not going to bore you guys with that. We'll get back with me placing the stone on and when it's almost done. See you just now. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so I've filled it up pretty much enough. Been chopsticking away for a few minutes. Here's the beautiful rock. Obviously water that made this. Putting it back in its space. It will eventually set. Just think it gives a cool feature to it. Now I'm going to add some stone as ground cover. That's the back of the tree. This is the front. Just going to now clip off maybe some dead branches, dieback, but that's Ficus's love doing that. But otherwise we're not going to clip it much because it doesn't have much. I love adding this gravel. It's just as a nice contrast. As I say, it covers the soil. Why you want it to cover the soil is to keep it moist for as long as you can. I am in Africa, it gets extremely extremely hot. I do have shade netting by my trees. The more you can do, the better. That's why I also put in the perlite and the vermiculite, because that absorbs water and the roots love it. And that is about it, I think. Oh yeah, giving it a slight trim. Just look at it, see here is a dead branch. This leaf. Saw something up here, no, that's all fine. There's something. So yeah, quite a lot of dieback sometimes. I also think this is due to the tree being a little bit root bound, or quite a bit root bound, especially because of all the big roots that were left. Bit of a trimming here, just a little, give it a bit of a little up. A bit of a reason to shoot.
This is the way. Voilà.
Just a little, there's the ends. I think that's fine for now. Okay, we give you a spin on the way out. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel. Hoping this year I can get some more subscribers. Help me out there. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.